Good morning, guys. This is the new 2019 Audi Q8. This bad boy right here pushes out 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds. Amazing, isn't it? Check out the wheels. Multi-spoke E-design wheels with the red brake caliper. Only comes with the S-Line model. And here on the fender, you can also see the S-Line lettering to differentiate the S-Line from different models. The front ends are very aggressive looking. The grille are wider, and here's the huge Audi logo in the middle with the center camera, front camera. That's the 2 air intake. Look at how amazing it is. Look at that headlight. This one reminds me of the Lamborghini SUV. And here's the rear view mirror. It's have folded option with the side camera built in. On top is the huge panoramic sunroof that offer a great view to the outside and attract a lot of sunlight. Now looking at the back, I think the back look a lot more aggressive than the front in my opinion. Look at this rear diffuser and look at the exhaust tips. Very nicely done, Audi. I love the tail light. And there's the rear spoiler with the third LED brake light on top. Amazing exterior.
Now take a closer look at this LED tail lights. Full LED tail lights that extend to the full width of the car with animation. Looks amazing.
Okay, so that is about it with the exterior, and now let's head on to the interior. Look at this interior, how amazing it looks. There's so much technology in this new Q8. Check out this dash and the screens, the instrument cluster, the double screens here in the middle console. You have to go check this beast out in person. Beautiful steering wheel, all wrapped in leather with silver accenting trims in the middle and multi-function controls side by side with the beautiful Audi logo in the middle. This is your cruise control right here. And here's your turn signal light, high beam light on and off, as well as the adaptive cruise control without lane guidance. Adaptive cruise assist with lane guidance, so you can kind of mess with the control and see. This is your windshield wiper on this side, and even the light control, everything is touch screen, guys. This is amazing. Light off, light on, automatic. You kind of have to press it to switch to different option. And this is your all-weather light. All-weather light off, all-weather light on for safety. Amazing car. Take a look at the front door panel. All 4 windows are fully automatic. There's the side view mirror control. It also features folded option. Just kind of switch this around and then you can see it's folded. It also comes with heated option as well. Here is the door panel, a closer look at it. With wood trims on here, door lock and unlock. You also have LED illumination on the door panel as well as all over the dash and the car. It is too bright right now and it's hard for me to show you that, but try to zoom in. You can see it right there. This is your 2-position memory seating. Very nice wood trim on the dash with silver accenting trims all around. Very nicely done. And this is the dash right here, made with very nice quality material. It's all wrapped in leather. And this is the heads-up display right there. You can see it's blinking. Can't see really well, but in person you can see it much better. Very nicely done, Audi. This is the dash. I really love this system right here. If you press on the screen, you can feel the click. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the click. You can also move the screen too. You can also move the tile if you like. Very nice sound quality. So if I press and hold on it, I can move it anywhere I want, just like your phone. How amazing that is, guys. Press and hold it and you can move it. Amazing. Press and hold it and you can move it anywhere you like. Swipe it to move to the next page. That in the main home menu button you have setting, vehicle, phone navigation, phone apps, radio, media, help. Let's go in under setting. Here you have all kind of general setting, announcement, system maintenance, user, connected device, display, brightness. Let's back up. Here you have vehicle. This is all your vehicle setting right here, like driver assistant, Audi drive select, vehicle information, seats, air conditioning. Let's take a look at the seat. Now all this you can set from the button here located on the seat or the screen. How nice is that? You can also control the passenger seat. It also comes with massaging function, as you can see right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different modes. And the intensity, you have 3 options of intensity. Always press that to stop. Take a look at the navigation system. This system is very smooth. You can see how fast it reacts. You can also zoom in and zoom out here. You can also view the world, guys. How amazing is that? Alright, down here you have your climate control. Press, everything is on the screen. There is no button on the screen at all. And it is very easy to use. You feel like you in a very high-tech car. Up here you have your downhill assist, auto start and stop, lane assist. This is your garage door opener. Even the garage door opener is located on the screen. And this is how you program the garage door. Heads up display on and off control right here, and this is off to turn the upper screen off. Very nicely done. Down here you have the drive select, traction on and off, emergency hazard light. Everything is touchscreen, guys. Here's your parking camera. This is the drive assistance. You can set it to however you like. Start and stop button right here. This is your gear shift lever. Press the unlock button, go up to get into reverse. Camera will show once you get into reverse, and press unlock down for neutral. Down again for drive. Over to the right. If you move this to the right, that's when you can use it in sport mode. Move it up or down to get into sport mode, as well as using the steering wheel mounted paddle shifter. Alright, let's put it back into park. And you're in park. Parking brake right here, 2 cup holder and a cigarette lighter. This is the center storage compartment with a wireless phone charging, SD card, USB. Very nicely trimmed, silver accenting trims and wood trims. On top of here you have the light control, the SOS button to use in case of an emergency. One touch sunshade to open and enjoy the sun from the large panoramic sunroof. You can also open it fully to enjoy the wind, or just tilt it. Very nice. All LED lighting. Alcantara headliner. Sun visor mirror with a card holder. Very luxury. All the material are very nicely made. As I mentioned earlier, both seats comes with massaging function, and the seats are very well padded too. It's very comfortable and it hug you right. Now this is the most luxurious SUV from Audi, the Q8. I wish it comes with the third row option though. Would be nice for a large family. So right now I'm sitting in the rear seat. It is very spacious in the back. As you can see, I'm 5'8" and have plenty of leg rooms, about 5, 6, 7 inches left. Headrooms is not a problem for me as well. Very spacious vehicle. This is the rear door panel. Alcantara side with wood trim, silver accent trims. Also comes with a sunshade to block some of the sun out. Alcantara side all around air vent. Rear seats pocket. A large storage compartment here. Also comes with the ashtray. And again, the rear passenger climate control is also touchscreen. Very nice, very easy to use. Down here you have two USB plug as well as a 12-volt power plug. Two air vents in the middle. Look at the effect of the speakers. Bang Olufsen speakers. Very nice, guys. Check out the rear compartment. You can store a lot of storage as well as groceries in the back. The rear seat also comes with a 3-way split option. You can also fold down the center seats too, like that, for a large item to pass through, while still having the 2 seats for the passengers. This is your center armrest with 2 cup holder. You also have 2 more speakers located on the roof. Very nice, guys. I would love to sit down here and just enjoy the view of the dash and the beautiful sunlight that comes through the panoramic sunroof. So here's the sticker to the car. This is a 2019 Audi Q8. Comes with 3-liter V6 engine with our 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, quadro all-wheel drive system. This particular model comes with 335 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque, and a 0 to 60 from 5.6 seconds. This is all the comfort and technology features that comes as standard. You can pause the video if you'd like to take a closer look. This is all the optional equipment. Started MSRP is $67,400 with all the optional equipment added. It comes up to be at $91,455. Fuel economy is 17 city, 22 highway, and 19 combined. That is not bad at all for this vehicle, guys. Check out the key. I love the way it looks. This is the new key of the Audi Q8. It looks kind of like a car in my opinion. This is the lock, trunk release, unlock, Audi logo down at the bottom, panic button on the back. Here's the button to release the manual key just in case the battery ran out of power. You need to get into the car. Love that lightning effect. Overall, I would give this new 2019 Audi Q8 a score of 9 out of 10. If it has a third row option, I would give it a 10 out of 10 just because I have a large family with 5 kids and this will not do for me, but any family with 2, 3 kids, this will be a perfect vehicle for you to drive. And if you compare this to the Lamborghini Urus, it is basically the same body style, slightly less horsepower, but you're paying like $150,000 less. This vehicle right here is right at $91,000. So if you compare that price tag to the Lamborghini Urus, you see how much more you get out of this vehicle. Very, very nice vehicle. Right, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below about this new Q8.